No, bugger off.
Is that the best you can do?
Well, bloody bugger to you, you beastly bastard.
Oh, a public school prig could do better than that.
Shit. Shit, 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 shit.
Yes.
Shit!
Defecation flows trippingly from the tongue.
Because I'm angry!
Do you know the F word?
Fornication?
Oh, Bertie.
Fuck. Fuck! 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 Fucking fuck! Fuck! Fucking bugger! 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 Buggity! 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 Fuck! Fuck! Arse!
Yes.
Balls! Balls! Fuckity!
You see?
Shit,
Not a
shit,
hesitation.
Fuck and willy! Willy! Shit and fuck and tits.
Dad? What's going on?
Sorry.
Just finish your homework. Well, that's a side of you we don't get to see all that often.
No. No, we're not supposed to, really. Not publicly.